Welcome to Autoland, your go-to destination where innovation meets the future of mobility, construction, and engineering brilliance. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our deep dives into the world's most advanced machines. Today, we're exploring something extraordinary, the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad 2026, a machine that is not just a step forward in road engineering but a giant leap in how we think about smart infrastructure and construction. Efficiency. The name itself carries weight. Liebherr, a brand synonymous with German precision, durability, and technological leadership in heavy machinery. And when you add the suffix Litronic Railroad 2026, you know this isn't just another release. This is a machine designed for a new era and age where roads aren't just built, they are built smarter, faster, greener, and with more adaptability than ever before. So what makes the RE 25M Litronic so special? Let's start with its engineering foundation. The 2026 model has been constructed with a modular design, meaning parts are easier to service, customize, and upgrade over time. Instead of treating road machinery as a one-off product that depreciates quickly, Liebherr has envisioned the RE 25M as a long-term companion for infrastructure projects around the globe. With this modular design, contractors can adapt the machine depending on the scale of the project, whether it's a city road expansion, a remote highway build, or a precision urban repair job. Under the hood, the RE 25M is powered by Liebherr's latest generation hybrid diesel-electric powertrain. This marks one of the biggest shifts in heavy road machinery because it doesn't just improve performance. It revolutionizes fuel efficiency and environmental responsibility. With up to 30% reduced fuel consumption compared to previous models, the RE 25M doesn't just save money, it directly supports global climate goals by reducing CO emissions. The integration of electric drive systems also means quieter operations, a blessing for urban environments where construction noise often creates social challenges. Now, let's talk about control and intelligence. The word Litronic is not just branding. It refers to Liebherr's proprietary advanced control system. The 2026 RE 25M takes automation to the next level, equipped with real-time adaptive terrain sensors, AI-powered leveling, and fully autonomous navigation options for repetitive tasks. Imagine a machine that can sense soil conditions, adjust its hydraulic systems, and calculate the optimal compaction pressure without requiring constant operator input. That's what the Litronic system brings to the table, a combination of autonomy and precision that reduces human error and maximizes efficiency. And speaking of operators, Liebherr has not forgotten the human experience. The cab of the RE 25M Litronic is more like a futuristic cockpit. Spacious, soundproof, and fully climate-controlled, it's designed to keep operators comfortable during long shifts. The ergonomic seating, panoramic visibility, and voice-assisted controls mean operators can focus more on project outcomes and less on battling fatigue. A high-definition touchscreen interface provides real-time machine data, diagnostics, and GPS-linked project layouts, while joystick controls are designed to be intuitive, reducing the learning curve for new operators. One of the highlights of the 2026 version is its real road technology. This innovation allows the machine to lay, level, and stabilize road surfaces in a way that mimics natural ground behavior. Essentially, the RE 25M doesn't just compact, it intelligently evaluates pressure distribution, ensuring roads last longer and require less maintenance over time. This is particularly game-changing for developing regions where road durability often dictates the success of entire transportation networks. Let's also touch on sustainability. The RE 25M Litronic incorporates recyclable materials in its construction, uses eco-friendly hydraulic fluids, and is equipped with smart idle systems to reduce unnecessary emissions. Liebherr understands that the construction industry is under immense pressure to modernize sustainably. And with this model, they've set a benchmark that others will have to follow. Performance-wise, the numbers are equally impressive. With an operating weight of around 25 tons, the RE 25M provides an incredible balance between power and agility. Its compaction depth has been enhanced by 15% compared to its predecessor, meaning fewer passes are required to achieve the same quality, which saves both time and cost. Its hybrid system also delivers near-instant torque, allowing for smoother transitions and better responsiveness, especially in challenging terrain conditions. Beyond performance, connectivity is another major leap. The machine is fully integrated with Liebherr's MyGipsite cloud platform, enabling supervisors to monitor progress, machine health, and even predictive maintenance alerts in real time. Remote diagnostics allow service teams to address issues quickly, minimizing downtime. In an industry where time is money, this level of connectivity is a true advantage. Of course, safety is a critical priority in heavy machinery, and the RE25M doesn't disappoint. Advanced collision avoidance sensors, 360-degree cameras, and an AI-assisted hazard detection system all ensure that operators and ground workers remain protected. Automated braking, proximity alerts, and emergency stop redundancies are standard features, making this one of the safest road engineering machines ever built. Now, let's step back and look at the bigger picture. The 2026 Liebherr RE25 M Litronic isn't just about building roads, it's about building smarter cities, sustainable futures, and resilient infrastructure that can stand the test of time. With global populations rising and the demand for high-quality road networks increasing, machines like this are no longer luxuries, they are necessities. Whether you're an engineer, a contractor, or simply someone fascinated by the future of technology, the RE25M Litronic Railroad 2026 is proof that the construction industry is evolving at lightning speed. It's more efficient, more intelligent, and more sustainable than anything that came before it. That wraps up our deep dive into the Liebherr RE25M Litronic Railroad 2026. What do you think? Will this machine redefine how we build roads for the next generation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching Autoland, where we bring the future of automobiles, engineering, and heavy machinery right to your screen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because we have many more incredible machines to explore. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road ahead, because the future is being built right now.